Kids can do so many stuff. It's okay.
Oh my gosh!
You like a doggy, ne? Doggy likes it. You wanna talk something?
So the next day I asked to go to the dog shelter right
Oh, okay.
there because I love animals. I love animals.
Okay. Today, just you wanna go to the animal shelter place?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey, I got it to fit. I'm serious. I'm bringing this.
Seat belt, okay?
Okay, let me go. Grab your stuff. You're going to the dog shelter. Oh yeah, I'm excited.
いや、見るだけで買ったりとか絶対しないよ。だからボランティアワークをね、どうしたらできるか。
Be careful of the long stick. Don't sit in there. Because Nemo will leave it here. Hello.
What you bought?
Bought
Uh-huh.
2 water bottles,
Okay, good.
2, and then that for me.
Oh.
Can I push one?
Okay. Okay.
She wanted to buy. She was like, instead of snack.
Why you came here?
It's because I love animals and I want to work here.
Volunteer work, yeah?
Yeah, I want to work.
Means that when you go inside, do you know what you have to do?
Ask, can I work there?
Okay. Okay, proceed.
You guys interested in adopting it?
I'm just looking around.
Okay, cool. I'll have one of you guys sign in for me. Yeah, when you get a little bit older. Just a little bit too young right now.
Yeah,
I
but-
appreciate it. You can volunteer here when you get a little bit older too.
Oh. And too young to volunteer either?
Yeah, so I think our number, what is it, 12 or 13? 12 with a parental.
12, okay.
With the
Yeah.
parents?
Yeah,
with the
with the
parents.
parents, yeah.
Oh. Sorry.
It's okay.
Like they're safe.
I know, but no bunny then.
There's a buddy. There's one buddy over there.
Huh?
Hi. Oh wow, she's beautiful. Remember when I killed my rabbit?
Really?
You got it. You're in the backyard.
Yeah, my backyard. Yeah, yeah, I do too.
Oh, hi, Kitty. Hi, Kitty.
Wow, you are.
Can you try to pet him?
You want me to try?
Yeah, yeah.
He looks kind of mad.
Can you
Really?
try to pet him?
No, you have to smell like this. Okay. Then like that. Make them to smell first. Then you can put it slowly, yeah.
I don't know. He's so cute.
That's why Konji had the long Konja had a difficult.
That's why he can't go. He did not want to.
Yeah. So cute. He should have got this small one.
Welcome. Have you been in before? Oh, well, feel free to walk around and take a look at what we have. We just ask that you don't open the doors and let them out. Watch your fingers. If there's someone you're interested in meeting, let us know. Are you interested in adopting today? No, not today. Just looking.
Yeah, we wanted to.
Did they come out?
No. Yeah.
No.
So cute.
As soon as you pay attention to him.
Really?
Oh.
Oh, she.
Bark and bark, and as soon as you give him attention, he's like, oh.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh
my gosh. Pay attention to
Oh my God. Okay, okay.
Oh, there's two.
Oh my gosh, I
Pay
cannot.
attention to
Yeah, I know, but okay. Oh, okay, sorry, ne. Okay. Yeah, Konji got like this and then become so big.
Oh, yeah, he toast.
Yeah, toast become so big. Uso! Zuko, Chizuko. Zuko is, do you know the, Zuko is the same as Avatar, you know, Avatar, my name.
Guys, over here, there's skin bites over here.
I should get this Zuko, but I cannot take in here though.
Oh, wow.
He's there.
Oh, beautiful.
There.
Looks like a Kurio. Alright, okay. Too much for me. Looks so sad.
I know. Especially when they don't want to go back inside their cage.